that was literally wild. I'm working in my mom's school for like a week this summer, like in like 2 weeks. And so I had to get fingerprinted. So I went to this like ratchet, like sketchy ass like corporate center and like go in, and it was all like, don't use your phone in the waiting room. It was crazy. But yeah, I got fingerprinted, so I feel like I'm like a real cool person now. Even though like I feel like don't you get fingerprinted at birth? Like I'm confused. But wait, that was so stupid. I feel like I don't know. I really don't know. I'm an idiot. This is embarrassing. But just a lovely update. My teeth are like kind of messed up, so I'm going back today to the surgeon to be like, bro, like, is this normal? Like, it's been literally like 5 days, and my mouth is like dying. So. With the brothers, you know how we do. It's It's Sunday and we went to York Beach, Maine, so I'm just gonna vlog the whole day and show you what a day in my fam is like. So I'm gonna do interviews so you guys can like meet my family a little bit more.
My name's Abby and I'm TikTok famous.
Accidentally just used the straw in my club soda, so like I'm probably gonna die.
And
rip Emma.
She flipped out and I thought she was upset because of the turtles. She won't. She won't. Stop it.
It's not for me to say you love. It's not for me to say.
Oh, I'd love to. Oh God, I didn't know I was going to be on camera. So we're watching the taffy get kneaded.
No one's going to be able to hear anything you just said.
We're watching the taffy get pulled by a machine so that it can then be wrapped.
We're trying Moxie while Emma. Ooh, that's a nice car.
It's called ADHD. Let's keep focused.
To take Emma's Advil for her teeth. Oh, it smells good, honestly.
Okay, so what were your thoughts on the Moxie?
I thought that it tasted like root beer mixed with tonic water, and it just wasn't good, so we're not doing that again.
Valid. It was like, I wouldn't judge someone for liking it.
Yeah, that's what I would say.
But it was not like
I wouldn't
something I would pick, you know?
Yeah, I wouldn't seek it out, but like, if you like it, you know,
then it's great.
You.
It's not for me to say.
I'm just pushing my child through the grocery store.
I'm making a video for the end of the summer.
We reunited. Who's here?
Your girl
Everyone.
Mila's here.
Where are we going, guys?
Oh my God, yes, Liz. Oh,
Brunch. No one answered me.
where's Kale?
It's not for me to say.
Okay, it's Monday morning. Nope, yesterday was Monday because it was Memorial Day. It's Tuesday. And I'm just making myself some coconut milk yogurt, just a plain kind with some strawberry jam. And then I'm going up to my grandparents' house today in New Hampshire because I've been doing this since last summer. I've been like cleaning for them, you know, just to make some extra like dollars. And honestly, she said I do a better job than their actual cleaning ladies. So it's not just them like paying me to pay me. Like I actually am like a great cleaning lady. But I'm just gonna do that and then we're gonna get lunch together. So it's literally like the chillest thing ever. It's like, I feel like I'm not even doing anything to make money, but whatever. And I obviously can't complain about a free lunch. But I need to go so bad because it takes 35 minutes to get there and it's 10:28 and I was supposed to be there at 11. And like, obviously they're not gonna care if I'm late, but I just really like to be on time. But then I also, last night, I went to the convenience store and I just picked up the Starbucks Frappuccino, the almond milk one, obviously, in the mocha flavor. And I used to buy these at school, and they're so freaking good. Shout out to Hayden for showing it to me, and shout out to Ava for coming to the cab with me one night to buy one. That was the first time I tried one. We got them together, and they were fire, so love you both. I'm vlogging today. Oh. I'm back with Hayden. It's like Wednesday morning, and I slept for 4 hours, but she slept for a lot more hours and still got up late and made me late. But so we went to Pressed for lunch. Now we're at Twist Bakery. Lemon pound cake. Ooh, the frosting looks so good. Okay. Is that what? This is all frosting. Yeah. It's so good. Vanilla coffee. Oh my god. So, I went to lunch with Hayden, and then I went to the mall with my friend Courtney because she was there, and I just like went to it and whatever. And I went to Free People, and I got the like flare jeans that I tried on. And then now me and Liv are picking up Melissa, and we're going to Planet Gymnastics for a little visit. And I don't know how to do anything anymore, so that's cute. Just move my clothes. Just throw them. Welcome! Picking my daughter up from school. With the brothers, you know how we do. Say hi. You want to be in the vlog? For what? For my channel. Oh my gosh, your eyes are so pretty. Thanks, Bo. Okay. Melissa! Guys, why is there a circus in your yard? Why is there a circus?
Because I'm hosting post-prom.
Bye, boo-boo.
Bye.
Okay, so we out here in nature. So we visited Planet, did some, you know, tumbling. It actually didn't go terribly, but I didn't film any of it because, like, why would I do that? That's embarrassing. But like, I literally peed myself like 5 times. It was great. Love gymnastics, love tumbling, love cheer. But now we're outside. We went to the Arboretum, and it's so lovely to be like out in nature, just enjoying each other's company. Mm-hmm. It's just really great, and it's just really plant-based out here.
It is really plant-based out here. I'm feeling really old, like Optimally vegan.
Yeah, this like like everything here is like vegan. Actually, wait, no, there's animals.
But we're not eating them.
But okay.
Dumbest
I'm sorry. I like to be just pretty. Also, I thrifted this. If you saw this, this was in my thrift video that I haven't actually posted yet. So here's a first look at it. But it doesn't match my pants. Sorry about it.
It's not for me to say.
So Rex, what did you make?
I made chai spiced oat muffins, and they're gluten-free.
Gluten-free vegan.
Vegan.
Yeah.
So I realized I never made an outro for this video and I'm editing it right now. So it's 1 a.m. but thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next vlog. Hope you enjoyed.